What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family and Autism. My name is Didi. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, be down to gang, 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 gang. So today is going to be a quick video. I know you guys are waiting for the 4th of July video, and there's an update video. But I'm gonna give you guys a different type of update video. I'm gonna give you guys Julian update today. So this is a rough draft of an update on what's going on with Mr. Man. Julian is our 5-year-old. He's the oldest between me and Jay. Julian has autism. When he was diagnosed, he was diagnosed in the middle, like moderate level autism. Um, and I have a list because I have to keep up with Julian's and Jackson's. Julian, right now, he does like his iPad and any type of cars like Lightning McQueen. But yeah, y'all got a best friend then. Let me put his picture up, y'all. I'm tripping, 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 tripping. In fact, I'm gonna change my background and I'm gonna put his picture up. And I'm checking out who I'm talking about. Talking about my little man right there. Y'all see him? Oh, and it went to the side with his little cartoon there. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, okay. So yeah. Uh, I didn't say that he like yeah, I'm leaving this in here too. Like I'm just it's just gonna have to stay. It's up and it's up and it's up. Um, but on top of liking his iPad cars, he likes being around his siblings, all three of them. Julian like our class time when we go over the activity books, you see him holding up on Christmas the numbers book that is available on Amazon, self plug. But anyway, um, Julian is a loner. Julian would be just fine with being by himself. Um, and when I say that he's a loner, even though I just said he like his siblings and stuff like that, in his household, he socializes with everybody. But going out and making friends, and Julian's alone, he gonna be by himself. He gonna be minding his own little baby business. He might speak to you in Walmart, and that's it. And that's one thing that some people were asking us, as far as with Julian, with his autism and stuff like that, or really the boys in that autism. But how is it going outside? Like he will speak to you, but it's like, hey, and you tell him hey, and he don't want to have a conversation with you. He just wants you to say hey, and that's it. Uh, so I guess I say that he's more so anti. One thing that Julian does do is he would be by himself playing, chilling. And when he realized that like Jackson's not in the room with him or his companion is not there, his brother, his bond, he'll just break out in like tears. Like his emotions are like it's like, dude, he coming back. Like if Julian used to not be like this, and I don't know if you guys know or not, but some kids with autism have harder times dealing with emotions than other children. But Julian would just like even when he was going to preschool, he would be in class, and it's like when he realized that he's in school away from everybody, he don't know nobody here. The teachers would be like, "Dude, he had a bit of a meltdown today." Julian meltdowns have stopped from him falling out, banging his head and hitting his head because I don't play that, sir. It has stopped from that to now he just get real emotional and just start crying like real, like tattoo tears, like real Michael Jordan tears, like for real tears. So I think that's just kind of the emotional part of it, and it's like he'll cry for maybe 5, 10 minutes, and he'd be perfectly fine. I don't know. Yes, Julian does say things that we don't understand, but they do try to talk, and that's why we're having activity time with them and therapy and stuff like that. Now, therapy, we do the ABA at home in a regular activity time. We're not doing therapy. We're not doing therapy not because there's none available, but because there's none available to come to our home. it's just too much going on right now. It's people. I mean, y'all. I cannot imagine to be in the people that were in Texas shoes, and that's just the biggest one that we have seen. School shootings has been going on since I've been in school. So with them just being on the rise right now, and no one knows nothing, and I don't got time to play with these people because these babies should be at school safe because they there to get an education. And unless you could come to my house, we're gonna have to do it over the phone type therapy. But other than that, like, no, I'm just not even risking his life like that. I do hybrid stuff, which is part time here, part time there, where we can go because mine is going to leave with me. Yeah, that's just that. Some people I might get some pushback in the comments, but I don't care. My kids will still be here. Julian loves to take a bath. Uh, uh, do I think therapy will help? Yes, I do think it will help, but do I think that it's more important for you to go to therapy or go to school because he's now at the age where he will have to go to school? Do I think it's more important for you to go to school and me have to worry about if you're gonna come home today? Yeah, I can have all this training in the world, even a trained police set outside an hour and a half. Why they basically listen to them babies? Yeah, no. That's my thoughts on that. Julian loves sweets, y'all. He is fully potty trained. He even don't use the pot. The only thing he need help with is wiping his behind, but he used the pot himself. He don't wet the bed, none of it. I don't think Julian understand or really grasp what it is to be in trouble. And I also don't think he understand or grasps that like everyone is not your brother or you can't hurt your brother. Like, and it's weird because I don't think he fully understands that. Like, that's part of the delay or the emotional. Like he will sit there and know that you hurt and laugh, but then will turn around and ask you, "Are you okay?" Don't know. And we noticed that with Jackson, with them more so. Medication. Nope, y'all not putting my baby on my no medication. His brain is not even had fully developed. No. Mm. He likes watching cars and YouTube. Let me hurry up with this. Loves a schedule. Okay. They did learn how to ride a bike. And he have a power wheel, but he don't ride the power wheel until we about to give the power wheel away. Then he wants the power wheel. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, like I said, this is going to be a short video, straight to the point. If you guys have questions, also, he will let me do his hair now. I have found a routine or a way to detangle his hair without it hurting. So Julian has been a lot better with me doing his hair. There's a video link down in the description, or you can go find a video. It might be on a car. I don't know. Mm. But anyway, you guys, hope this helped. Anybody that had some questions, if you have more questions, let us know down in the comments. And yeah.